From your perspective, what is the most pressing issue currently facing health psychology in Europe or globally?
Yeah, we have aging societies, and so the big challenge is to keep everyone healthy while we are getting ever more diverse and money is getting more scarce. So I think health psychology has a very important contribution to make to really contribute to personalized medicine and really understand how we can care for everyone, and that means for increasingly heterogeneous population in Europe. So we have the privilege that we have a societal consensus that we want to provide high quality healthcare for everyone in Europe. And so I think so to preserve that, we really need to work hard to balance out these different needs and really work with all willing people, like all stakeholders, and psychology, especially behavior change and understanding coping with chronic disease and understanding how people conceptualize conditions and health in itself and health behaviors. I think we have a very big contribution to make there.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. How can health psychology research better translate into real-world impact for policy, practice, or public health?
I do think that, so we have done okay, but we haven't had the full impact yet for all the research and the practices that we have developed. I think one important thing is to really use all input from stakeholders, from patients, healthcare providers, from researchers, to really family members as well, to try to include as much input into our participatory research as possible. And then, of course, to use all means that we have at our fingertips. And that means from our personal impact, from our personal presence, to digital support, to really scale up our interventions. Because at the moment, I think we are doing occasionally for relatively well-educated and well-resourced environments, but we do not so well maybe in reaching people who have less years of education, who are not as trusting of the current healthcare system. So I think their health psychology can make a really big impact.
Mm-hmm.